So I've made a wide variety of games to help my students prepare for the National Latin exam. So right now I'm taking a look at my website, marshalatin.wordpress.com, which is where I've got my NLE prep session. I've done most of the things as links for students, so they can have a one-stop shop for a wide variety of materials. And so you can see some of the things that I've done that I've already shown. For example, the purpose games. Geography game is right here. And then we've got our NLE history game, which is a matching game, and another purpose game called Roman Colors. But what I want to look at right now is the PlayPosit activity. So PlayPosit is the reboot of EduCanon. And so I've made a variety of short videos which students can watch. So when you click on the link, it takes you to the PlayPosit interactive video. When you hit play, it will show the video, and it has things over here. You can see that it has questions on the side, and so you can answer, and it gives them immediate feedback and tells them they're right. They can continue with the video at that point. You can hear the music on it as we go. So this is great. I'm going to jump ahead to the next one.
Our main verb is the same.
Now I already used most of these videos on my website, but now I've added in the question. So you can see in this case, what English word can be used to introduce an indirect statement, and I said that. So I click on the submit on that. It can say I got it right, and so I continue again. So this is a fantastic tool for me to use that flipped/blended format to help students be able to get feedback and look at important concepts. And so for this one, I've only added a few questions. Some of them have as many as 5 or 6 sections. This actually ends with a mini quiz, though, at the end, a pop quiz. And I can have students make accounts and then track their performance as they go.